What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we have the GoPro wireless remote and the GoPro 7 Black series. I have the wireless remote here and the GoPro here. The question I've been asked a lot actually is if the GoPro wireless remote will turn on and off the GoPro as you hold the power button right here at the bottom left. And the answer is yes, it will do it. And I'll show you guys here very shortly. But real quick, one thing to side note is that you do have to connect wirelessly your GoPro wireless remote to your actual GoPro. And you will do that in the settings tab in your actual GoPro itself. And then you will, your wireless remote will do the rest, and it'll have basically the Wi-Fi loading up icon, and then it will connect itself to the GoPro. But I'll show you guys that in the next video, how to connect and pair the two. So right now I'm just going to show you guys that it does in fact turn on and off the GoPro from the wireless remote. So turning the camera around here, all you have to do, press the power button, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. It'll turn the wireless remote on, and then it will turn on the GoPro. And it's the reverse to turn both off. You'll hold the power button again for 2 to 3 seconds on the remote itself. It'll shut the remote off, and then it'll beep and show the red flash here on the actual GoPro itself, and then it will turn the camera off as well. So we're going to turn them on here. Wireless remote is on, shows you how much battery you got, then the icon there, then it will turn on the GoPro itself. So now both are on. It's automatically connecting itself or pairing itself to the actual GoPro here itself. Now it shows me my information right here. GoPro itself is actually on, so we're going to go ahead and turn it off now. Hold that button. Both will turn off. Wireless remote's off, GoPro is off. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yes, the GoPro wireless remote will turn on and off your actual GoPro. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.